Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully, like, what the fuck? Hopefully, everybody's enjoying their day because I am. And today is a good day to enjoy yourself and check out a short horror film. This one is Cicada by Burnt Mill Road. So let's check that out. I don't know. I feel like Cicadas like overplayed out now. I feel like Cicadas are supposed to come out like once every 17 years, every 20 something years or something like that. They come out like Jeepers Creepers. But it feel like every other year they were coming back. Do y'all feel that? I feel that. I don't know. I feel like I'm the only one with that problem. But yeah, let's get into the video. Burnt Mill Road, Cicada. Shit. I closed it. Now. Alright, we see you there. We start off at the crib. I don't think she heard you, sir. What's my eye? What did you just pick up? Hold on, let me go back. What did you just pick up? What is that? A cicada? Maybe. You're starting off early with it. Is mom dead? I couldn't do that. Yo, that's an aggressive shake. Oh, I'm not talking about the mom part, I'm talking about the acting part. If somebody started shaking me like that, I'd probably start bagging up. But yeah, that'd be sad. That was like real. I would never want to see that. What the what's wrong with her face? That's not a cicada, that's an alien, bro. What the? Oh, he getting punched on, I swear. Is that a cat door? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. What the fuck? Oh, he got it. You never look under the bed, man. I guess you laying there with your mom. Where the cat at? I know it's a cat in there. I see the cat door. You know what cats are good for? Eating you when you're dead. That's probably what's about to happen.
Scare us.
Like long enough, your face melts off. Is that what happens? So it's an alien. The alien's called cicada. Cause I might be saying it wrong. I might can't read. I don't know. Is it Cicadas? Cicada. I thought ain't that how you spell cicada? God damn. You're probably like, shut up. You're dumb. I apologize. I read that wrong. But that was a pretty good short film by Burnt Mill Road. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you have any recommendations, let your boy know. But yeah, I am Aruggamuffin. Like, comment, subscribe. Join the crew. And my God.